Hello guys, my name is Sai Sampath Kumar and my class ID is 32 and my team member name is Anvish Mandadu and his class number is 24. So I'm here to explain my in-class Python course, in-class programming 1. So I've been given some uh, programming tasks to perform. These are the tasks which could state difference between Python version 2 and 3 and to write a Python code on and to write a Python code to delete last two characteristics of a string and print the string in a reverse order. So the and there was another question which was asked to perform an arithmetic operations on, on two numbers which have to be taken from the user and, and write a program that accepts the sentence and replace each reference of Python and replace with its Pythons, so without using regex. So let me take you to the code. So these are the code. So let's perform first arithmetic operations. So as you can see in the code, after executing this code, it directly enters please, please enter the first integer and ask for another integer. So and later on it directly displays to perform which operation, and later on it enters into a while loop which is always true if until unless you exit the program, that is until unless you input the 6. If you enter 1, it directly shows the addition of two integers, that is number 1 and number 2, which results in the addition of them. So in a similar way, I have written a code to execute subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's execute this code. As I said, it actually asks for the integer. It asks for the integer 1. Let's enter 15 and second integer be 5. So it asks for the operations to perform. Let's perform addition, division. Why not all together? So these are the operations which I can perform through this code. That's it. So next, let's go to the next code. Reversing of a string. So as you can see here, I have written a while loop. So it's a while loop which is always true until unless if the if condition is true. So it directly, after executing this program, it actually asks for the please enter a string. After entering a string, it checks whether a string is null or not. If it is null, it actually go to the else statement which cannot and prints a string cannot be null and asks again to print ask again to enter a string. Until unless you enter a string. So if the string is not null, it enters into this if condition code section. So it actually prints the it actually stores the result string which deletes the last two numbers and of the reverse of that string in the result variable, and I'm just printing that string. So let's execute this code. As I said, please enter a string. Let's enter So let's enter something. Hello. So as you can see, H E E H and H A H E in hello is being deleted and the whole string is being printed in the revert format. So this one we can perform formattings. Okay, and let's execute the replacing of a word. As you can see in this code, after execution, it asks to enter, please enter a string, the same format which I've used in the reverse string. Until unless it is a so, something is there in the string one str1, it doesn't execute the if statement. If something is there in the if statement, it asks for the word which have to be replaced. So after entering that word, it concatenates with s and replaces in the string. So let's go this one. Please enter a string. Obviously, it will again ask for the string which doesn't have to be in, it should not have to be on. Okay, let's so I've entered I have friend. So let's replace friend with friends. So as you can see, oh, let's say if the word that is not found, it will print f is not found. So let's enter it again. So the resultant string I have friends is being printed. So this is the code which I have written. Well, thank you.